Dude, I'm so cool. Look at my scope. It's so big. Yeah. Yeah. It doesn't actually do anything. It's just a hollow tube. But it's so cool. Yeah. I took the opportunity. AWPORTUNITY. Oh yeah. Leet sniper status. Yep. Design's going well. Gonna need some more tweaks before prototype. It's not quite close enough to test print yet, but it's going pretty well. Yeah. If you have any name ideas for this, feel free to leave them in the video description or in the comments. Yeah. I have a few ideas kicking around my head, but if you have any, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll take a look at it. Yep. Not much else to share. So, yeah, that's it. Bye-bye.